We hope you had a great Easter, and of course, give thanks to Jah for another Easter, another day, for everything and everyone. We're so grateful. So tomorrow return to regular life and school, work, and all of them things there. Don't forget to forever be grateful, because gratitude makes life so much more better. And with that said, we are grateful for you. So here's some butter and cheese from us to you. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. And we just love on them. Like cook food. Some butter and cheese for you. Enjoy. It's a wonderful evening with some music. And the rain is falling. But give thanks. The simple things truly are our blessings.